Yeah, Rizzo, you should be pumped on Team Italy in the World Baseball Classic. Like the first time ever, they won the entire pool and they're undefeated.
Yeah, I know.
Dude, that was crazy. That one kid went off.
Yeah, 3 home runs. They're taking shots of espresso after home runs.
Big leaguer, though.
Jordy looks like Knight Templar with a cap when looking down.
That's awesome.
Yeah, bro.
That's a good look, man.
That's a good look. I just need a sword.
Someone said I looked like a firefighter the other day.
Yeah, it's your stash.
Yeah, that was fun.
I will say, one of my best friends is a firefighter. Yeah. He has the exact same stash, so they're not wrong. Okay, they weren't wrong.
This guy kind of looks like a firefighter too.
Oh, Dan.
There he is. What's goody? Oh, still just chilling, Nora.
Yeah, it's really nothing.
It's too choppy right here. I ain't doing shit. I mean, it was good this morning.
I just keep doing the same thing, Dan.
Back and forth?
Short. I go short MCL, long MNQ, pair trade. Whenever it gets overextended, or like at the bottom of the range, or bottom/top of the range, and then I cover it. And I do it again when it gets there again, and just keep playing it back to the middle. Yeah. I'm flat now, though. Gotta love a good headline-driven market.
Yeah, right.
Big pop.
That IB low play was nice this morning. I was short, like earlier,
I know,
but I was like, I just held it to IB low. It was fucking beautiful.
I was trying the long off of the value area low down there, thinking we might make it back up, but then it got too weak and crew just kept pushing. We did hit the golden retrace on ES. It's like the last thing I had down here, by the way. Boy, SPX is like holding on for dear life. It looked real bad. The other thing that like I keep noticing though, every time it looks like it's literally just going to finally fall apart, it's when you get a headline to hold us in. So that's what that's what I'm playing. I'm literally just playing that they're not going to let the market fall. So far, it's been a good strategy.
I just got a short here on gold.
Both the metals have been very weak today.
Yeah, gold and silver is holding my automated stuff together.
Looks
silver,
like
silver just had a nice long here. Took 3 losses in a row earlier today. 4 losses in a row earlier today. So that hasn't been great today, but overall this week it's been keeping everything together. We'll see how this gold's been good. I mean, we'll see how this short plays out here. It's had a couple nice trades today. So it's looking for 51.21, so essentially 10 points with a 6-point stop, 7-point stop.
Gold and silver both look like bear flags.
I don't know what it looks like. This thing runs on a 1 minute, so overall.
No, I'm just saying. I mean, even looking at your screen there, I can kind of see the outline of it. Like big move down, and then just kind of a ping pong move back up.
Gold doesn't care about bear flags. It only cares about news recently.
Yeah, well, that's half the market, really.
Oh, here's a little rejection on oil.
I know. I was just looking like, okay, do I take the same? I mean, it's the same trade, same spot I could take for the third time, but
I've been running Kairos on oil, Jordy.
Oh, really? That's
Yeah,
probably
it's
fun.
It's only been on a test account, but
Yeah, my Kairos this morning on MNQ. What was this? Is this 5 minute? 5 minute.
Tommy, what are you looking for?
Yeah.
300 on?
Cooking. Had like 3 trades, all shorts this morning.
Is there a 4-hour gap or something at 300 on your chart?
4-hour
Gordon?
gap. We're trading in one. That's why I'm no longer bearish. Doesn't mean you can't scalp short around, but as soon as so I was short 2 IB low and my full target was 608.75. If you mark 50% retracement, if you go the high March 10th Tuesday to the low March 8th Sunday, high to low there, the 50% is 608.50. It's also the start of a 4-hour imbalance, which is in discount, right? Any of these imbalances under the 50% would be in discount. So it's more viable that we would hold this rather than the one I posted about yesterday, where I thought we were going to hold that one, because that one was above the 50%. So it looks like we needed to rebalance to the halfback, and now we're holding that area. So yeah, I'm quite bullish from 526 to 608.50, that zone, as long as we're holding that. And going into tomorrow, holding this big time frame spot, I think it turns into a fun Friday to the upside, to be honest. Trendy, but I don't know. We'll see. But
I
just
see
given the spots that we're holding, if we are still holding this into tomorrow, I think we're gonna fucking rip.
I see the one you're talking about. And then I think I see the one Tommy's talking about. There's a little one down at like 313 to 260 on the 4-hour.
Yeah. So yeah, you have one that starts at 313.25 to 258.50.
Yeah. Okay.
You
I'm just
can
trying
go down
I'm
there.
just trying to learn and understand further.
So here's how I look at this. Like, if we're really bullish here, we shouldn't have to trade all the way down there. That can be more of a breakaway gap because the halfback of this range is where we're at and at the imbalance that we're testing.
I'm bullish if we get back over basically where we've been rejecting all day.
Yeah. So like we could trade down there, and if we do, cool. But if that happens, it's like I'm more likely to think that gap just gets ran through and we go take out the lows from March 8th.
It's just 800 orders up here, right? Oh, 400 of them just left. Oh, they just moved them again. Sorry to interrupt. NQ
No,
was
you're fine. You're good.
No, you're good.
Please,
This
I'll
looks-
always hop in.
orders right off the book.
This looks like the same thing's gonna play out again.
Unless they just moved them, I need to zoom out.
Yeah, so we could tap that, Tommy. You never know. The way I see it, though, is just like right now it's unlikely because we're at half gap. We have reason to hold, and we're in that 4-hour PD array already right now. We have reason to reverse from here now. So, well, not this second, but like, you know what I mean? Like, and so that's why I don't think it's likely, and that can be more of a breakaway gap. But here's the thing: how do I try and decide like whether or not we're going to trade there or not? Well, how are we respecting the halfback? If we end up getting under this zone, this 4-hour gap, 526, and we're clearly displacing under this half gap, then yeah, we know it's like, okay, we'll probably trade towards 311, and I can try and trade towards there. So I like it. I don't know. I think it's very clean going into tomorrow. Similar to this morning. This morning was very clean. I was ready for a move to London high or the move that we got downside, and market picked downside. So feels like market's starting to clean up a bit. This week has been better for me than last week was. But it's still in this range. But yeah, I don't know. That's the way I look at it.
I think we're about to make a move up here. Back to 750.
Yep.
But there's VWAP right here again, though. Microsoft looks decent.
Yeah.
IWM looks decent. It's just this is that like fool me once, fool me twice, fool me thrice.
it's gonna fool me right back to sleep.
Yeah.
I mean, they almost
Yeah,
like it almost
Euro.
sucks you into like you could just short here and along the bottom of the range over and over and over until one of them, just fells massively. But if you get 5 wins and take one
Keep an eye on the
mid-size
VIX.
loss,
If you get the VIX breakdown here, like sub 25.40, I think
I was looking at that
you'll
earlier
break
too.
You'll break north.
Yeah, VIX about to make a new low of day.
We'll see. I mean, it's sort of treaded along this area all day.
Here you go.
By 85.
Oh, 200 just right above us. Again.
By 194.
It feels when all this stuff starts happening, there's usually a headline.
I mean, those 194, they came on like right when those 80 came on too.
I like the short, Tommy. Good risk reward. Know where your stop is. Easy play. It's my type of trade.
Yeah, I mean, that's kind of the original point I was making, right? Same area. You know where you're wrong. You try to play a breakout on a long here, and you get
Mollywop.
you get stuffed again. You could get wicked out just for it to work out, because there's no way to set your risk without going to the bottom of the range or something.
Well, let's see. I'm still long 690s average, but
Top of oil.
still holding my NDX puts. 0 GTE.
This is feeling like it's the same story again.
Definitely a wild week.
Look where VIX held.
95.40.
Yep.
Crazy.
Uh-oh. Get off the track. Sellers are coming.
I'm telling you, that train is double-edged. I think it's a profit train, and then all of a sudden it's a stop-loss train.
I feel like somebody is literally just selling like crazy at 700 and just covering at 620.
It's funny. I zoomed out on Bookmap, and I'm looking at that area, and I mean, it's come right up there, and you see these large bubbles, and then boom, you just get it right back there. So,
Look at ES, massive rejection again. Right at the same spot. You try long here and just risk 660.
no.
The old boredom trade.
Yeah, the old just give back money for no reason trade.
I think I'm going to pull up my Surfline app.
Jordan,
Yes.
recheck that last text that I sent to you.
What'd you send me?
All right. Boys are making it a short day today. Wow.
This action's going to lull me right into a nap. And then as soon as I lay down, there's going to be some mission accomplished tweet from Trump.
I mean, how can I not go enjoy that? Like, whew. instead of watching these candlesticks. Oy. Ponto, no. I mean, Swami's looks really good.
Swami.
Cardiff Reef is absolutely firing.
Samsonite. I was way off.
I want to talk to Samson.
Dude, that's like one of those jokes that never gets old. Every time I see luggage, I'm like, Samsonite. I was way off.
I was wondering what you were trying to say. But, Beacons looks good.
Swim.
Yeah, Pipes is tight. I was just at Camp Shred over the weekend, which is kind of like right around there at the campgrounds.
Craig, I'm with you. It'll lull you in enough times, or it'll do enough damage to enough, breakout traders will get stopped out, and blown up trying to break it out either side, and then it'll make a move. What do we have? PCE tomorrow morning?
PCE, GDP,
I don't even know if the market cares.
Jolt's job openings at 10. So 8:30 data and 10 o'clock data.
So,
Dude, I think we're ripping.
we do have earnings this afternoon too, right?
Right.
We have Adobe and somebody, or Rubrik and somebody. Adobe maybe. Adobe, Rubrik, Ulta, Lennar. Oh, I heard the Dollar General got beat up this morning. When I woke up, I read it.
Did she? I didn't look at it at all.
Big old bounce on the Dollar General, but it's still pretty bad.
Wow, did that short hold up, Nora? Oh my gosh, look at that. Ticks from Stop and said, let me reverse for you. They said, where is it? Flip it and reverse it. There it is. Flip it and reverse it.
I love that. You got a big wick?
Let me search, yeah.
Let me search it. We got to find out how we going to sell it. Oil's popping.
Yep. Can't do nothing right here.
Wow. All right, I'm going to sign off, gang. It's going to be an early day for the Reester.
All right, dog.
Sounds goody, brother.
Love it. Yeah. Peace.
Enjoy. Oh. Rocket Gold? Get down there. I can't believe that held up. That's short. Awesome.
We'll see if it goes right back up and stops me out, but there we go, gold. Dump it.
Oh, yeah. Give him TP. Give him TP.
I need TP.
I need TP.
What are you looking for? New
that
day?
video I posted. Almost. Like, what is that? 5121?
5121.3.
Oh, I'm on a 15-minute chart. Hold on. Yeah, I see it.
Yeah,
Finally
every
broke the
couple of
channel.
years, Tommy, we get Asia session is the time to be trading. It doesn't happen often, but actually, when you get volatility a little higher, Asia session tends to be good because you can get some really clean reversals off of them. There we go. TP me.
Oh, let's go, baby.
Got him.
Got him. It's on one gold contract, too.
I
That's
have
one mini or is it one micro?
my on mid micros, so that one was on my 150k accounts. That was 3. Now these are funded accounts, so that was 3. So a $250 winner, and then on my 50k accounts, I just have it on 1.
Nice.
On my evals, I usually put it on like 4.
Crazy. On instant bounce from it.
What was the reason for that gold TP? Because it was time to go. I don't know. That was just the strategy that I'm running. I don't know how it does the price targeting, to be completely honest with you.
I love that. You'll need to know.
I don't. I mean,
yeah. I
to
mean,
me,
yeah.
as long as it works and it doesn't bother me. A lot of people are inherently curious about like what something does and why it does it. I don't really care. But it's not a bad thing to be curious. I get it.
No. I'm even curious on like some of the strategies I'm running. I'm starting to notice like, oh, that's why it's taking the trade here. You know?
Yeah,
And at
no
first
idea.
I'm like, I don't even know why the
idea.
fuck it's trading, you know, but I start to learn it a bit and it's cool.
Yeah, I'm not sure, Jesse. I know this strategy is like a market structure based strategy. So the entry was and oh, it's Amazon. My garage opening. I hate that. I always accidentally do key delivery with Amazon. They open my garage. And the downside of having, actually, my dogs somehow did not go ballistic there, which is some sort of miracle because my daughter is sleeping and that would have been hell.
Bottom of the range long again? just do the same thing? Nah. IB low though.
Yeah,
Tommy, you should have got that IB trade you wanted. I don't know if you spelled it the first time, but ES multiple times IB midpoint to IB low.
Yeah.
Did ES not
actually,
take it this
IB.
morning?
IB.
No, it's just like that IB strat that
Yeah.
it's been on here for a while. It's
Oh,
just,
yeah,
it
yeah,
shorts,
yeah.
shorts the midpoint, goes back
Absolutely.
to the
Yeah, that's
where it came
right
from.
on the screen right now. This is the clear edge one. Took a short earlier today.
I don't know how many times if it takes it multiple times or not, but that trade
No.
literally played out 1,
Just once, but
2, 3. This would have been the third one.
yeah, it's crazy.
It took nearly no heat too. A couple points. That's it.
Yeah, that one big candle, but it was what, 6 points or so. Stop at IB high, kept you in.
Yeah, and that was a pretty decent sized trade too.
Yeah, that was a nice size
13
trade
so that was a 17-point trade.
on 5
So,
cons.
so I
That's
was just sitting
decent.
there watching it, and I know Tommy mentioned it earlier, and I was like, oh. At one point, I was long MES, MNQ, and short MCL all at the same time, and I was about to blow my brains out trying to manage that. I don't not like being in that many at once. But the credits I built in that trade are what made the other 2 trades big trades for me.
Hey Jordy, look at that. Look at that. Where
Look at that TP.
that
I love that.
nailed it.
I'm honestly Nara, because Emp, we were just talking about this on the spaces. How
Yeah.
I started 2 strats, one of them being Kairos, one of them being
Which
Market Ninja.
Kairos on NQ?
Kairos 5-minute MNQ.
So I run. This is the 1 minute on MNQ.
I don't know. I was looking at both and I was like, I'd rather be a little more chill, so I grabbed the 5 instead. I wanted to be a little bit more chill.
Sure.
That took some great trades today. I'm up like $400 on that account, or I'm up like 600 total, and I just started that eval, so we'll see if this strategy can pass it. But the Market Ninja amp, I'm down like $600 on in drawdown, and so I'm thinking about getting another account and starting it in the drawdown even heavier, because that's like the ideal time to start it.
So these are the new Market Ninja settings that are the higher volatility ones.
Yeah,
It's been pretty on fire.
that's what I set up this morning.
Oh, you did this one good. I mean, it still had 5 or 6 losses in a row.
Yep.
But it's done that a couple of times. Here it did it. Here it did 4 in a row.
Nara, when a new update comes out, let's say it tells me I need to take out the strategy and put it back in. Like when I do
Define takeout.
like earlier it told me to delete the strategy and then put it back in when I updated Market Ninja. Like delete it from my chart and then put it
You
back
don't
in.
have to do that.
I don't know. It told me to, but either way, I like when
round 3
when
on
we
this
get these
Paris trade.
updates, I don't have to go and change anything except update the alert, right?
Well, and a lot of times when, especially if he does an update, I would certainly go to that room in the Discord to see if he added a new setup to it. Because when he's doing an update, a lot of times he's doing an update because he's fixing some sort of misaligned risk or so I would check that and then copy his latest chart, because if he's doing an update, he's going to post the latest chart.
That's what I did. Okay.
So that's what I
copied
would
the
do.
latest one.
And like with this one, I think there was 2 setups. One was a little more aggressive than the other. I chose this one.
But you don't have to go and create a new alert and all that, right? You just
No, so this is what I do. Like
or a new signal in ClearEdge. I mean,
here's my ninja signal, right? I just click the edit button, the little gear
Boom.
cog here,
Yeah.
and then condition. There'll be like, if there's a new setting, I just go to the one on the bottom. That's the new one.
Got it. Okay. That helps me.
That's it.
Thank you. What's up, Casey?
What's up, guys?
Oh, what's up?
I'm down to runners on the SPX Iron Condor at 70%.
Let's go. I was thinking
We-
about you in this chop. I'm like, those
Dude.
condors are cooking.
We haven't moved in like 3 hours since entry, so yeah, Condor is cooking. We're about to get hit with a nasty storm.
Whoa. I did not see that. 900 lot filled on ES at 6707. I looked away. I was looking at Airbnbs. Dang it. That same pair straight set up again, though. So we'll try that again. Oh, hey, KC, by the way. Good to finally see you, hear your voice again. I feel like it's been a week.
What's up, gang?
Gang, gang.
Gang, gang. I know. How was the zoo?
The zoo was awesome, dude. That zoo
Dude,
was, and it was
looked
free.
like so much fun.
It was legit, huh?
The only thing you had to pay for was the bathrooms because that's how they do stuff in Mexico.
Mm. Interesting. Make you pay for the baño, huh?
Yeah, like it was like 6 pesos.
Interesting.
That's how it is at like most of the places you stop to, like stop and get gas or anything, like you have to pay.
Interesting.
But
Good
it's
to
like
know.
it's like 30 cents. I mean,
Yeah. No, yeah, it's nothing.
there's another 1,000 lots sitting on ES.
I'm in a silver trade now.
Ooh. Oh, it just shorted, huh? Just took that. Is that telling you that you need an update on that one?
Yep. But he didn't update silver on new silver chart, so I didn't bother updating it.
Yeah.
So this one's looking for $84.74 half, so 25 cents. Essentially a retest of low of the day. Definitely don't run this setup in anything less than 150K account, and probably 150K
Yeah.
account. It needs to be ran either by itself or with very small size of something else.
I feel like you could just blindly trade NQ or ES off of just looking at the oil chart. You could just inverse it, just blindly trade it. I'm in that same pair straight round 3. See if it works.
Jordan, can you guys see that on my screen? Oh no.
We can only see your silver screen right now.
Change. Hold on. I'm gonna show you this new feature for ClearEdge.
Yeah.
So this is, you can now share.
Oh, I like that.
Oh yeah.
Wait,
So
where do I
I'm-
find that?
It's in the beta version.
Okay, got it.
But so we've made these like 200 templates. So we've been playing with them to see which ones we want to keep.
Yeah.
So like there's some.
Oh, that's cool. You can. Oh, there's so many different like.
Yeah, a lot of these are gonna go. We'll probably have like 10 of them. I'm trying to find the Mortal Kombat one.
There's a Mortal Kombat one.
Yeah,
We need.
Mortal Kombat.
We need.
Finish him.
yeah. Well, there's one to like. Oh yeah, the casino one.
Oh yeah, we like that. Total winnings. Bankroll. Like that.
So
My power went out.
I've been going through all of these to see which ones we like, which ones
That's
we don't
cool.
like.
Oh, it's like storming there then, Casey.
Yeah. Yeah. Everything just shut off and quickly came back on. But
Look at this one.
Oh my god, sir, this is so
we're getting a
Wendy's.
tornado.
The
That's
dumpster
so-
portfolio.
Dude, that's
Sir,
awesome.
this is a Wendy's.
It's hilarious. What's up, Walter, in the chat? We are making some money. It's been a great day. Great day at Munyon.
Financial Times. So I've just been going through and trying to find which ones we want to keep. Some of them are really stupid. Trying to find the Mortal Kombat one. I don't know where it is. I'm definitely going to keep the Mortal Kombat one. I sort of like the Sir, This Is a Wendy's one. I like that.
That's
That's
my
good.
favorite one.
It's good. Smart is stuck still. He ain't doing shit.
I just posted a screenshot of the last of the SPX position. Just runners, 3 contracts left. They're up 70%. Just leaving them to expire for full profit. Not going to touch those unless something crazy happens to where SPX moves 100 points within the next hour and a half.
Which could happen.
Stonks. That's good.
You guys making any money? Made a little money.
$11.82 apparently.
Yeah, dude. You
Cruising.
get two 4-for-4s with tax. Little Wendy's
Haven't
joke.
been to
Cone?
Wendy's in
Maybe a
while.
cone?
I don't even. Yeah, you might get the ice
Maybe a
cream
cone after. You have some left for that.
I want a Frosty.
Get a little frosty. Dip your fries in it.
Come on, where the hell is that? There's a Super Mario one I like too.
I saw Smooth post that one.
This is a good one. Dumpster fire.
Everything's fine.
That's what it's called, dumpster fire. Everything is
Total
fine.
damage.
So many stupid ones.
Top of the same range again. The amount of upper
Sure,
weights on
the
this thing,
casino.
so like if this
That's
thing
perfect.
actually breaks, this dies.
Burger flipper job application. Oh, here it is.
Oh yeah. Market trader. I like that.
And then you can copy it. You can set it up so that if you don't want this account on it, you can get rid of all of these other, like if you just want to show one account, you can put your affiliate code on it or take it off. So yeah, that's a cool feature, but you'll be able to see your live P&L here. We're working on pulling it from Tradeovate, but we can pull it from Rhythmic. We can pull it from Top Step. See, like it shows the unrealized profit and loss because that means it's in a trade. Oh,
Yeah.
I am in a gold trade apparently too.
Did silver hit TP?
No,
Or did it stop out?
nope, it's in profit. So is gold. So we got to go through and select a bunch of those templates.
It's still on your clear edge. Oh, there we go. Gotcha. Come on, silver.
That's gold.
Oh,
Gold
it's
got
gold.
into another
Oh, it's
trade.
back in another gold. Love it.
IWM slightly stronger than spine Qs.
Do something crazy. We need a headline, or we're just gonna keep playing ping pong.
Oh no, I'm about to go have a beer and then go take the golf cart out for a ride in the middle of this storm.
Yeah, that's a good idea on the first day.
That sounds like a fun afternoon. Look how dark it just got in my office.
Bro, you need a light, man.
I got lights. I just don't have nothing turned on. I need to turn this one on at least. Turn the Edison light on. No, I fucking hate having that light on. No, we don't get snowstorms around here. We just get hurricanes.
Hurricane?
Like 30 minutes ago, it was like 76 and full sun. Now it's cloudy and 40-mile-an-hour winds.
Oof.
Like out of freaking nowhere. You're expecting 27 inches of snow by Monday?
Yeah, somewhere in some places in the upper Midwest are, I heard.
Oh,
I mean, I
Nice.
supposed to have snow on the ground. It's been 70 degrees here the last couple of days. We had so much, Casey. I've never seen, I mean, I've lived here my whole life. I've never seen so much snow. First time I've been able to see grass at my house for months. Yeah, you should get a generator, Casey. It's one of the best things I ever did. I don't
we
have
have one.
I don't have a like Generac. I have a portable one, but I have a
That's what we got. We got a portable Honda
I have a
generator.
switch in my basement that like a sub panel. Yeah,
I don't think
Tommy, mine does my fridge, my oven, my heat, my hot water. Come on, give me the TP. We hit TP. I'm going to nap.
previous week low again on Spy. ejection every time.
I agree. It is a must on it, especially where I live. We don't have any prayer of getting put back on and within a couple of days. So ooh, we're about to get one on gold again, I think, here, Jordy.
Oh, baby.
I might manually close this one. We're close enough. Yeah, I am.
When you manually close, you
Mhm.
don't have to turn off your alerts anymore, huh? It'll just
Not anymore.
it won't take it on the opposite side now. It's beautiful.
I did it on I just closed on, I'm closing on my funded accounts right now. I'm going to leave it on my evals. Good close there. No, because there's essentially our system sends a flatten. Yeah, closing manual defeats automation. Yeah, I guess whatever.
Yeah, but what if you didn't? What if you didn't take
really
the entry though?
I'm really close to payout on a couple of accounts, and I'd rather just take the money if I'm a couple of ticks away from it. What's the difference going to be? $30 or a loss? You know, I'm happy to take $30 less. Yeah, I don't often do that actually. I just let it go. But I'm like $400 from a payout on a couple of 150K accounts, so I'm just trying to get there.
Dude, ES looks bad. Looks like we want to roll here into the close.
Yeah, I wouldn't run a generator in my basement. It's
All right, bottom of the range, long again. Just- wait. Somebody's gonna give up eventually.
not necessarily. Maybe tomorrow.
Maybe not. Yeah, maybe not today.
All right, I might call it a day here. I was trying to see if silver would.
Just a little choppy chop.
Yeah. And gold is still in my evals. It's still getting close. But this action's lulling me to sleep.
That's what they want to do.
Who's they?
You know, the boogeyman.
The market boogeyman.
Yeah, you know, the
There's
hedge
always
funds,
a
the
they,
hedges,
you know?
the institutions, the market makers.
hedge
You know,
The bad guys.
the guys that
Ken
just they
Griffin.
can see your.
And
they can see your
Griffin's sitting over there like they're
Yeah.
all falling asleep on the Wolf stream.
right now, it's Jane Street. They can see the stop on
Yeah.
your sim funded account.
Oh, is that why I
On your funded fucking prop paper account.
Yeah.
What was the reason that ICT said it doesn't work anymore? Because
The algo. They changed the algo.
Oh, they changed the algo. I hate when they do that.
Damn it.
That really throws a wrench into the whole operation.
For those that don't know, he was rage baiting people saying that, by the way.
Oh, okay.
He always is.
He wasn't
His
legit
entire-
serious. It's
Was
all
he-
rage bait.
Was he,
His entire
was he,
thing is
was
a
he
rage
offered
bait.
meds?
Yeah.
Have you ever, Jordan? I'm sure you have. His list goes like Saturday morning rant streams.
Oh yeah, I'm on. I go on stream with him and or on Spaces with him and Kit, who's one of my boys all the time. Yeah, it's great. In the evenings, we'll go on Spaces. We'll chat, talk setups that happened that day. It's fun. It's a great time. Sometimes he'll do some that are by himself, and it's the Saturday ICT rant, dude. Those are great. I love those.
Yeah, those are the ones that I've tuned into, like the absolute unhinged rants.
Oh, I love them.
Let's see, we got a whole bunch of orders down here at 6:05 again. Are we gonna go visit these, or are we just gonna bounce off the same spot? Yes, IB low again.
Yeah, what's his name? My boy Kit, his name on X is literally what is it? It's literally ICT underscore concepts. He hosts a lot of spaces. I've been hanging out with him. He's a G. They have some good spaces.
It's one thing I've never gotten into is the ICT stuff. A lot of people get into it. I mean, I think my position on it is any strategy that gives people some sort of structure to how they trade
Bingo.
is
I do like that part a lot.
is productive. Now, he didn't make it up. It's strategies that have been around for a very long time. The words and the verbiage and stuff like that, it's just made it so that it's understandable for people, I think.
I think it makes it harder.
I mean, I think the concepts, it makes it more vague, I think. But it does give people some sort of definition to how they trade, which is a good thing, right? I can't knock that. I think that sort of the cultish nature of it can be a little bizarre, but yeah, I think overall there's a lot
Everybody's cultish though, you know? Like
I think there's a lot of people that have
I think
benefited
everybody's
from-
guilty of it. It's like There's
Yeah, I
one
think
guy
it-
that's like
I think-
cultish about EMAs and one guy that's cultish about ISCT or whatever, you know?
But they both can be.
It's like-
I mean, EMAs.
They both can kill it. Like, it doesn't matter.
EMAs. There's some.
I didn't find a
strategy
lick of
to use
consistency in
them.
futures until I started trading that way.
But if there's something that gives you some sort of structure where you know where your stop is, you know where your profits are, you know, you have rules to how you trade, you know, that's a productive thing, whether it's ICT or IRS or CRT, BR, doesn't matter.
LMNOP.
It doesn't matter. It's as long as it gives you structure. Don't let Smooth hear you talk about fib people. He's one of those fib people. But yeah, it's just whatever gives you the structure to your trading that is overall a good thing. I think the people that have sort of taken the concepts and tried to monetize them in absurd ways, like certain people on Twitter that don't even trade money. I think that's unfortunate, but shouldn't be listening to anyone who doesn't trade actual money. Yeah, there's lots of ways. I mean, to be honest, a lot of people end up at the same bus stop no matter what method they're using.
ICT talks about magical algos that target him. That's cultish. I don't know. I think if you actually listen to certain things said, not the case, but again, everyone and their mother is in a cult when it comes to trading. Everyone's a cult when it comes to their strategy in their own way. You think
Unless
your
you're
own
just a-
strategy is in a cult too, and your
unless you're
whole
just a
room
vibe
full of
trader.
people doing it? It's just like it's all the same, honestly. That's the way I see it. There's no difference. People sit back and live and die by their way of making money in the market. It's the same thing.
GC,
Uh-oh. Breaking
TP,
down. New lows.
TP, GC. Now let's get a silver TP and be a good day. But GC just hit TP again.
Nice. One person calls it resistance, another calls it an inverse. Precisely. The same EMA tap that you're shorting off of will be a tap into a bearish for value gap. It's all the same, dude.
Well, we
It's
just
what
filled a bunch of
vocabulary
orders.
and what system works better for your brain. Give a shit what you call it, dude.
It's okay. It's okay, Jordy. I like that. We like you even though you are in the ICT cult.
Dude, I'm in the cult, bro. But I'm also,
It's just
as
like,
you
it's
know,
just
a
like
full
a cult
believer.
to call everyone else a cult.
Jordy, are you top or bottom bunk in the ICT at the ICT retreats?
What I love is no matter what, like I'm a pure example of I'm trading that stuff, but look at I'm using your strategies. I'm
Well,
a
I
firm
think-
believer that like
I think what it's done for you is just what I was saying. Is it's given
Structure.
you a structure to how you trade, and however you get there doesn't matter. It's you've gotten there and been able to develop a way that you trade based on parts of his concept, parts of concepts that you like yourself, and
yeah.
You develop a trading style and trading system, and ultimately that's the outcome that people are looking for. And if it makes money, it's people shouldn't have a problem with any of it.
I love this comment. He's got ICT as God chopsticks. Oh my gosh, that's funny, bro. That's actually fucking funny. That's funny.
Emp is dead. He is now Wolf Ryan.
He is.
Emp is dead.
I'm in the M cold. I just copy all his trades. I love it. I love it. No, but yeah. Overall, like,
Yeah,
yeah,
send,
we
send
crack
your
jokes
membership
and shit.
dues in, guys. I didn't know I had a cult.
We do now.
Yeah.
Let's go. All right.
Is there a
There
moon
is some-
phase strategy?
there
There is a moon
there is
phase
a
strategy,
phase
bro.
strategy.
Link in bio. My strategy is just everyone else's strategies all put together.
That's one thing I'll die about. I'll be talking my stuff, and somebody with the moon phase strategy will be like,
I
"You're
long down here
so
again,
wrong."
by the
And
way.
I'm like, bro, you're talking to me
Did
about
you
moon
just-
phases and telling
did
me
you
I'm
just
wrong.
name
Shut
Wolf
up,
Ryan?
dude. Like, get
Yeah.
out of here.
It is his dead name. that
It's
might be
Imp
the best
Beard
way.
Colt versus Casey Beard Colt. Scuba Force. Yeah, that's a great name for Imp's Colt. The Scuba Force, bro. SEAL Team 6.
Oh, now oil's rolling over. Here we go.
Get him. No, but I think
The
Data
bounce
J
down
said it
here on
earlier.
spying cues.
Only thing that matters is PNL, and it's so true.
Yep.
I don't give a shit how you get to the end of the road, guys. Like, get there with a consistent PNL.
Yeah, I don't care what you trade.
That's all that matters.
I'm not sure what you're asking about run-up pricing on NQGC strategies. I'm sorry, I'm not sure what you're asking.
Run a pricing. I wonder if is he just asking how much they are?
I don't know.
There's different ones. Some of them are cheaper than others.
The ones that I'm showing, the one that I'm showing here, the silver, gold, and NQ one are all the same strategy. This one, the silver one, this NQ one, and this gold one are all the same strategy, and that's $100 a month. But it has a free trial.
My pair straight is like break even.
And the software is anywhere from $69 a month to $199 a month. Depends how many strategies and stuff you're going to be running at once.
We got 5.
Very few right off the bat would the unlimited plan be necessary. People usually sort of grow up to that
Oh, trimming oil here. Sorry.
in their
Is your
trading.
bounce on spying cues?
Same spot. Get to the bottom. They buy it up.
But Bullish Bear, if you would like to try it, I made the offer on the space we did earlier, but if you want to give it a shot, at least on the software side, I can give you a 30-day trial on the software side. If you want to try the strategy out, and I believe that has a 7-day trial. I don't have control over that one. That's a outside vendor that, I mean, they sell it on our marketplace, but it's not sold. It's people that we've vetted that have strategies. So, yeah, but if you do want to try the software out, I can hook you up with a 30-day trial. Send me a message on the Clear Edge Twitter at Clear Edge Trades. Guess you should have taken that Lowe's Emp and Colt.
Join the Imp cult. Oh, here we go. Big pop.
Silver little
I got
font
to trim
here.
660 on the NQs.
Just like that.
oil, I'm looking for this 93.72 VWAP again to trim. I got a feeling we're about to get there. Look, current strategy. Just wait for the edges of the range, get in, and wait for a headline, then take profit. What cult is that?
The imp cult.
Cult of
That's
winning.
The imp cult.
I think
trying to-
that
Just trying to
I
trade
really
and
like-
make money.
I really
We're in the wolf cult.
really
That's the
like
cult we're in.
comment.
Wolf cult. Join now.
Did you
Make
just
money.
Did you just dead name Ryan? Can't be dead naming.
What does dead name mean?
It's your old name. You know, when someone goes from male to female.
Oh,
Your old name.
dead. Oh, that. Yeah,
You're no longer Ryan. You're now Ryanita.
yeah. From what was the other? What was a good one? Like this guy was like, I used to be Christian. I used to be a Christian. Now I'm Christina. That was one of the funnier skits I saw. This guy was like, I hope it's okay. You know, I used to be Christian. I hope that's okay with you. The guy's like, yeah, you know, I'm not worried about your religious beliefs. He goes, yeah. So now I'm Christina. Christina Fur. Come on, just get a follow through. Pop, 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 pop. Need a headline. Christina. Okay. You got a lisp? Christina. And we may reject her right here again. They like oil at this 94. I don't know why, but they do. Who else? Did somebody else join? Is Frank here? Oh, sorry, Frank.
All right, guys, I am jumping off here. You have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. This
You
is
too, Nara.
horrible, horrible trading, and you can blow up accounts quickly. So
Thanks for hanging out with us, brother.
just don't do it.
He said it's moon.
See ya.
All right, Dan.
Bye.
Have a good one.
Holy,
Shout out, Nara.
another 600 orders now sitting down here
Uh-oh.
again at 600.
Look at that
Throwing
big
your
sexy
CNET
guy on the
back,
screen.
Ryan.
Wearing the greatest